Penske Media is suing Google over AI overviews. Penske Media, the parent company of Rolling Stone and The Hollywood Reporter, just threw down the gauntlet at Google, and not with a snarky editorial, but with a full-blown lawsuit. The publisher claims Google's shiny new AI overviews, those chatbot-style answers that sit atop search results, are killing its traffic. Why click on an article when Google already spoon-feeds you the gist? Penske argues that's essentially Google cashing in on its reporters' work without so much as a byline or a cent. This isn't a lone wolf howl, though Penske is the first heavyweight U.S. media house to sue. Chegg, the online tutoring company, filed a similar complaint back in February. A group of European publishers is already in court. The News Media Alliance calls Google's AI summaries the definition of theft and seeks DOJ support, while Google claims AI makes searching more useful. Publishers argue this reduces clicks and revenue. Penske reports that affiliate revenue has dropped over a third this year, blaming Google's AI. The company faces a dilemma. Blocking Google would make its content disappear online, but staying indexed feeds data to AI that's already siphoning its audience, resulting in losses either way. Legal pressure is mounting across the tech and AI sector. Perplexity faces lawsuits from Britannica and Merriam-Webster. News Corp is taking legal action. The New York Times is suing Microsoft and OpenAI, and Google warns that the open web is rapidly declining amid multiple antitrust challenges.